All right, welcome to your math video. Sorry it took so long. If you were waiting for it to be uploaded, we just got out of our meeting with Miss Olga. So again, this is another week of where congratulations, or another video where congratulations is due. We have made it to our final number of our 1 through 30 math curriculum. So this is our last new number of the week. Okay, so this is the number 30. Okay, so we're going to do both front and back. So you're going to do this side and then your road. And you're going to stop at 30. But before we do that, we're going to count together, okay? So remember, we have to, when you're coloring, when you're doing your pattern, you must stop at 30, but we'll count first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay? So then when you're done, your whole entire road should be colored from all the way from 1 all the way to 30. So remember, you're going to do a pattern. Okay, so let's see. I will start one. Remember, you can do your very own. You don't have to copy the pattern that I do. But I'm going to follow the calendar that I have, my pattern on my calendar. So I'm going to do neon orange, neon pink, neon green, and neon blue. So here is my neon orange. So remember, you have to work with the pattern, and you can't just color it all the same color, because I want to see that you know how patterns work. Okay, so I went ahead and I picked the same neon colors that I use for our calendar, and that's how I would do my pattern. And my pattern is going to go all the way down and stop at 30. Okay, when you do that, once you complete that, then you're going to fill in the missing number. So remember, 29 was our number of the week yesterday. So then 29, 31. So what number goes here? I'll give you a hint. It's our number of the week that goes here. Okay, when you're all done with that, then you're going to go ahead and turn it to the back. And you're going to color in your big 30. So whenever you see a 3 and a 0 standing together, that means it's the number 30. Okay, so you're going to color that in, and then you're going to color each stop sign with a 30. So you're going to look for the 30s in the stop signs, and if there's a 3 and a 0 together, then that means you're going to color the stop sign. Okay, so a reminder, when you are coloring your big 30, you are going to color, you're going to practice coloring in the lines. So I am going to use my neon pink today. And I'm going to color my 30. So when we have a 30, if we're looking at it, which we will look at it this week, if we look at it using 10 frames, that means we're going to have 3 10 frames, and they're all going to be colored in. So each of the 3 will be colored in, because that's 30 is 3 groups of 10. Okay, so and we know that there are 10 spaces in each 10 frame. So if we know that 30 is 3 groups of 10, then that means we'd have to color in all 3 of our 10 frames completely. We wouldn't leave anything blank. So I'm coloring my 30. I'm making sure that I'm inside the lines. Remember, we still have to practice careful coloring, because when you go into kindergarten with Miss Lupa, she's going to want to see very careful coloring where you're in the lines and you're taking your time. Okay? So I colored my 3, and then I'm going to use neon green to color my 0. Okay, so make sure you work really hard to color inside the lines and work nice and slow, because remember, we don't need to be in a rush. And we want to color in. We don't want to leave any white spaces when we're coloring in. In this case today, we're coloring in our numbers. Okay, we don't want to leave any white. We're just gonna slowly color. And remember, you can use any color you'd like, or colors. If you want to make the 30 a rainbow, you can go ahead and do that. If you want to color it blue, if you want to color it purple, if you want to color it polka dots, you can feel free to go and do that. But I just want you to practice careful coloring, okay? Because that's how you show that you're kindergarten ready. So it's gonna look like that. Remember, you can use your own colors. You don't have to use the same colors that I used. But other than that, that's it for today. Remember, we will meet again at 2:30 for our afternoon Zoom. Okay, see you then.